Hey everybody, this video, some more work I'm due on video here for the hell of it. Got 3 Master Lock 6327s. These have no keys, so plan is to pick one of them, make a key, and see if the other ones are keyed the same. If they're not, I'll have to get those open and either rekey them or make keys for those as well. So, let's get started here. Okay, I've stuck my pick a couple times here into the hole in the back where the 6th pin would be if there was one. So these are going to be pin 5. These are nice locks, by the way. You know, feel like a tank in your hand. Yeah, they do make one. I don't know what the model number is, but they make one that takes a full-size cylinder so you can match it to your house key or whatever. Oh man, sometimes these fingers just don't feel fantastic here. But too young really to have arthritis or something, I would think, but I don't know. Okay, it got us into a false set. Okay, lost our false set. And we're open. Alright, excellent. And it should be a 764 to get this guy apart. That was kind of a fun one. I need a false set, lose the false set, and then get her open. Retaining that out of there. Not quite unscrewed over there. There we go. Alright, there's our cylinder. And since this is just, well, yeah, just trying to decide if I feel like that one or not. I guess I will. I'm trying not to accidentally lock it back here because I'm never gonna gut it anyways. Really no need for a follower. Okay, there's 5, and the other 4 probably spools. Okay, so yep. So we got here pretty standard on these Pro Series locks. You got 4 spools and a like a standard pin. It kind of looks like almost like an anti-bump pin or whatever. I'm not sure if that's what it's intended to be or not, but that's what's in these guys usually. And then I won't bore you with the rest of this here. I'm gonna decode this and go make a key, and then yeah, we'll come back and just show you if it works or not, and if it gets the other ones open. So I will see you in just a second. All right, so we're back. Here's our key. Bidding was 61261. And there's a nice looking key here. Okay, and works nicely. And remember on the master locks, you know, the little overhangs on the kind of the bottom, not the top like American locks, but it does go on the front. You want the flat side on the back. We're putting these back together. Stick our clip on there. Make sure we get it on there correctly here. Okay. Deburr the key maybe, but anywho, so that's done. I'm gonna try out these other 2 and see. And so yep, opens that one. So, and then okay, so these are all keyed alike. So just gotta put this one back together, and the job is done. So that will do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.